So hey guys, we are in jungle with our collection toy box. Let's collect some toys in this big jungle. Let's find out. We put our box in the between of this forest. Let's find it and fill the box full of toys. Let's do this. Where we can find a toy. Let's see. Oh friends, look what we have. We have a green color toy hiding in the tree. Let's put it in our collection box. Yoink. So friends, let's find some more toys. Oh friends, I got a red and white color. A strong and powerful dumper truck. Let's put it in our collection box. Yoink. Let's find some more toys. Oh friends, I got a toy. Let's see. Oh friends, it's a candy bus. Let's put it in a collection box. Yoink. So friends, as you can see, we have 3 toys in our collection box. Let's fill it full of toys. Joink. Let's see some toys. Oh friends, I got a motor bike friends. See how it's drive bro. Yo, let's put it in our collection box. Yoink. So friends, let's see some more toys in the jungle. It's a very big jungle, friend. Whoa, friends! I got a green color royal car. Very nice quality car, friends. Let's put it in our collection box. Yoink! Let's find some plane, friends. Oh, friends! I got a one plane. Oh, friends, it's a fighter plane. Whoa, friend, whoa. We'll go to our collection box with this. Whoa. Let's land in the collection box. Joink. Let's find some more toys. Oh, friends, we got a school bus. Very good looking school bus. Let's put in our collection box. Joink. We need some plane, friends. Whoa, we are demanding for a plane and we got a spacecraft, friend. It's so sticky in the tank. Let's see. Oh friends, it's a spacecraft. Let's go with it in the collection box. Zoo. 3, 2, 1. Joink. Let's find some more air toys, friends. Whoa, friends, look. We got one more air toy, which is a chopper. Very good chopper, friends. Let's put it in a collection box. Yoink. Let's find some more toys, friends. Whoa, friends. We got a zoo train, which have a monkey, crocodile, cheetah, elephant and panda. Let's put it in our collection box. Joink. Let's find some more toys, friends. Oh friends, look, I got a cement truck. Very nice quality truck, friends. Let's put it in our collection box. Joink. Let's find some more toys, friends. Whoa, friends, I got a flying chopper. Tuk 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 tuk. Let's put it in a collection box. Joink. Let's find out some toys in this big forest. Let's go. Whoa, boom. Let's see. Whoa, friends, I got a speed car in this big forest. Let's put it in our toy collection box. Joink. Let's find some more toys. Where we can get. Oh friends, it seems like a toy. Let's see what it is. Oh friends, we got a 2 police car. One is red and one is olive color. Let's put it in our collection box. Joink. Let's find some more toys in this big jungle. Let's go. Where we can get a toy. There are so much animals. Here we can. Oh friends, I got a white color police car. Very big size toy, friend, in this big forest. Let's put it in our collection box. Yoink. Let's find some more toys, friends. Where we can get. Oh friends, look. A royal car from old car. Let's put it in our collection box. Joink. Let's find some toy. Whoa friends, we got a seaplane. Let's put it in our collection box. Joink. Let's find some more toys. Whoa friends, we got a toy. It's a transformer car. Let's put it in this collection box. Join. Why are you coming? Go in collection box. Join. So friends, look, we got so much toys in this big jungle. We have full our collection boys. Let's take a look. We have a car, we have a plane. So we have full our collection box with this full of toys. Bye bye. Like a channel, subscribe our channel. Bye bye. Yoink.